Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can remove the background of image on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Adobe Express. So as you can see, I've already opened it. Now simply we have to go to the document section, and after going to the document section, as you can see, has the option for the view all. So we have to click on the view all. And after clicking on the view all, as you can see, has the option for the remove background. So let's click on the remove background. And after clicking on this, we need to select the image, that which image we want to use and which file we want to use. So I'm going to select that. Let's go to the document section, and I'm going to desktop again, desktop data. And as you can see, and now Safari documents and some other pictures are provided here that we have to select those which one we use. So as you can see, some other pictures are provided here, so we have to choose these. And for example, my pick and data I'm going to choose, and I want to choose this one. And now simply I'm going to click on the open. And after clicking on the open, as you can see, it will take few seconds in removing the background. It's up to your internet speed, so we have to wait until it removes. So as you can see, now it's done. So in this way you can remove a background of any kind of image in Adobe Express. So as you can see, if you want to download this, you have to click on the download, or if you want to open this in editor, you have to click on the open editor and it will be open. And if you want to do in more changes and more editing, you can also do that into editor. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can remove a background of any kind of image in Adobe Express. So see you guys in the next video.